Well, my teeth have been difficult my entire life. They have, I guess the word I might use is they've always been fragile. My whole life I've had dental issues and I've gone to the dentist my whole life. But we made a decision to replace the full upper arch of my mouth with my permanent teeth and replace them with a full arch dental implant. So after we made the decision to do the implants, then that led to us coming to Gordon Dental and kind of discussing the protocol of the things that go along with that and what it would involve in terms of my time, my calendar, what kinds of things I might experience in terms of like recovery and things of that sort. So there was a couple of visits that I made to Gordon Dental where they took a look at my upper arch, identified areas that perhaps needed to be a little bit rehabbed before the actual surgery took place. And that's really what happened. And then I did come in, and it took the better part of about half a day for them to actually do the surgeries. I had a number of permanent teeth that were in place, and those had to be removed. It was a process I wouldn't call painful, but it was a process that did involve a little time, and it involved some quite a bit of time in the chair and that sort of thing. But once we were finished, a temporary denture was placed where my teeth had been, and I left the office that day with a full upper arch of what I would call pretty presentable teeth. My daughters and my wife have all three independently and without any prompting commented on my improved smile. I'm very much pleased with it myself. It's something I'm no longer conscientious about when it comes to speaking in public. And so from that standpoint, I have nothing but praise for the way my new smile looks and my upper arch looks in my mouth.